Hello everyone watching this video. This is a brief tutorial or a guide as to how you can sign up for the Eddyfast point of sale software. So perhaps you are given the sign up form via mail or through WhatsApp. If you got it through a mail, for example, as I open my mail, you just open your inbox and usually it will come as a link like this, a hyperlink like this. If it's not a link, you just copy the entire link this way, and then you open a new tab, you paste it, press enter in a browser actually, and then the form will open like this. And if it's a link, you just click on it like this and it opens the link. And in case you got it through WhatsApp, you can open the web version of WhatsApp using the link web.whatsapp.com. And usually if it's your first time of opening, it will ask you to scan a QR code, and that will help you to be able to log into your WhatsApp messages online. And once it's opened, the WhatsApp messages will come and you open the chats with the person that you received the link from. So for example, the link is here, https signup.sell.edifyga.com/vendor signup. So when you click on it, then it opens the sign up form. So now we are going to do a dummy sign up and see how it works. So in filling the form, it asks for first name and last name. In fact, the first name and last name together with your email address and password are used to create an account for you as an administrator. We assume you are the administrator or the owner of the business. So let's put in some information. For example, Edward, then your telephone number. You can also begin, if you are filling it from outside Ghana, you can begin with the plus or your country code, or even in Ghana you can say +233 and begin. Usually this telephone number can be your personal phone number or preferably the company's number. You can also add additional number. For example, you can do slash, then another number can follow. So if it is one, you just leave it. Now the next one is the shop or business name. The shop or business name. This is the official name of your business. This name will appear on your invoices and receipts. We recommend that you use the same name that is on your business registration certificate if you have. So this one is Eddyfast Consults, and then the subdomain. It's basically a short form of your business. You use it to create a subdomain for you that is appended to a main domain. Yeah, so it's not something that you need to worry so much about. It doesn't show to your customers actually. So this one you can see Eddyfast one. Adding one because we have a subdomain called Eddyfast, and if you submit a subdomain that exists in our database, it will prompt you that you can't use the same. So I just added one to it to differentiate from the existing one. Now shop or business location, we give a specific location of the business. So now you can say KNUST. Our office is located in KNUST. Or you can even add KNUST New Museum or something like that. But KNUST is fine. Usually it can also be the branch name. And then the street addresses. It can be an address like Dr. Danko Avenue or something. It can be a residential address. Some also provide postal address. So I can say maybe KNUST Kumasi. Yeah, it's fine. Then you select your country. And then your email address. You enter your email address, valid email address. Remember that the email address and the password is what you use to log in when the sign up is done for you or the setup of your system is done. Now the password, you choose a password. We advise that you choose a strong password, but not less than 4 digits, or the length should be at least 4. Yeah, so let me just choose a password. You have to repeat it to make sure you got it right. And then finally you provide answer for this equation. This is just to verify that you're a human being filling the form and not a robot. So you provide answer. Then you attempt to submit, or you submit the form by clicking on save and set up formation. If everything goes well, it will tell you it's successful. In this case, it was not successful. The reason is that I've used the email address to sign up before. So this email address is used either by yourself or by another person. If it is you, then make sure the password is correct in order to be able to add another shop. Okay. Yeah, so let me see if I can remember. Sorry. If it doesn't work, I will just change the email address. Yeah, this one worked. It means the previous password that I used was not correct. So now, what it means is that you can sign up for multiple businesses, provided the email address and the password you are submitting is the same. But if you submit the email address that you have used before, you have to use the same password. If you don't use, it will tell you that the email address is either you change the email, or maybe you make sure the password of the email you're using is correct. It's as simple as that. So once it goes through successfully like this, as you can see. Hi, Edward, your sign up was successful. Your shop was set up is pending approval. Note you can only log in after the approval. Yes, so the information will be sent to Eddyfast team for them to go through the processes of approval and setup of your business, or the system for your business. So yeah, Eddyfast got notified, and then they will do the setup. So this is a guide to take you through how you sign up. You can watch other resources as to how you can log in after the setup is done for you and all that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Look out for our other videos in this series. Thank you once again.